I thought we'd just pop in real quick to the Wooded Ranch project and get a quick little progress report on what's been done. Obviously, we can see that the demo has taken place and it's opened up quite a bit. As we walk in from the front door now, we can look straight into the fireplace, which is what our goal was. And by stripping all of what we didn't want out of the house, now it just, from a perspective, you can see things clearly. It helps you to process what you want to do. So over in the kitchen area, it's a nice open space that leads right over here, and we'll be able to formulate our cabinetry kind of like what we had discussed before, but we'll see how that plays out. And then the bathrooms now are basically just square little boxes. All the demos have been taking place, and we can start from scratch there, placing it so it's a much more functional layout for those bathrooms. And that's about it. We got the demo done, and we're going to start getting the repairs done and get the plumbing and electrical and all that taking place.